Hi everybody, it's Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies, and today I have a special guest with me.
Hi, I'm Olive.
We're going to show you how to make decorated cookies for Hanukkah with royal icing and gold luster dust. Start out by icing the cookie with blue flit consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 3. This icing is 15 to 20 second count. If you want to learn more about it, you can take my online class, Royal Icing 101. Now I'm using my Scribe tool to help shape the icing and sharpen the points of the star. I also made one where I cut a smaller star out of the dough before I baked the cookies. Once you have all of your cookies flooded, let them dry overnight. I'm using medium consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 1 to pipe filigree. This color is a mixture of brown and lemon yellow. If you want to learn more about piping filigree, I have a detailed tutorial and a template available in my shop. The link is in the description. If you make a mistake, you can always use your Scribe tool to help remove the icing and do it over again. I'm using the same icing and tip to pipe a bead border around the edge of the cookie. This icing will need to dry for at least 30 minutes before it's painted. I'm painting the icing with a mixture of gold luster dust and vodka. You can also use grain alcohol or any flavor extract like vanilla, lemon, or almond. This luster dust is Glamorous Gold from Sweet Sticks, and the brush is also from Sweet Sticks. A link to the supplies is in the description. And these are the finished cookies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy Hanukkah!
Thanks for watching. See you next time.